Welcome to another down payment assistance program update. Hello, I'm John Thomas with Prime Residential Mortgage, here to give you your update. Well, we're announcing a new program called the PRMI Dreammaker Down Payment Program. It's a great program to help you finance 100% of the purchase of your next home when you're using an FHA loan. So, what are the qualifications for the Dreammaker Homebuyer Program? First of all, you need to have a 620 minimum FICO score. Anybody on the loan application must have a middle score of 620 or higher in order to be able to apply for the Dreammaker Down Payment Program. There is no income limits to qualify. Unlike other down payment programs, they all have income restrictions. This program has no income restrictions, so Bill Gates could apply for the program. You must be purchasing the property as your primary residence, which means after you settle on the home, you must move in within 60 days and occupy it as your primary residence. Now, you are allowed to have a non-occupant co-borrower who can co-sign on the loan with you to help you qualify if your income doesn't support you qualifying for the loan, and they are not required to live in the property. You can get up to borrow 3.5% of the purchase price. So combine that with your FHA first mortgage for 96.5%. That gives you 100% financing with a first mortgage and a second mortgage through the PRMI Dreammaker Down Payment Assistance Program. There is no homebuyer education required. It is a second mortgage for the 3.5% of the down payment. If you are under the 115% of the AMI, which is the average median income for the area, it's a soft second, which means after you make 36 on-time payments on your first FHA mortgage, the second mortgage for 3.5% down payment is forgiven and you don't have to pay it back. If you're over 115% of the AMI, you can still get the down payment assistance, but it becomes a hard second, and you have two choices: a 10% a 10-year second mortgage at 0% interest, or a 30-year second mortgage at 5% interest. So that's the qualifications. Now, if we dig into it, what are the terms of the down payment assistance loan? So again, you have to use an FHA loan to purchase the home with the first mortgage for the 96.5%. The down payment funds are not available on a conventional VA or a USDA loan, only an FHA loan. You are allowed to use a non-occupant co-borrower to help you qualify, but everybody needs the 620 minimum credit score. You have an option of a soft second if you're under 150% of the AMI. It's forgiven after 36 or basically 3 years of on-time payments on the first mortgage. Or if you're over 115, it's a hard second, and you get a choice between a 10-year fixed at 0% interest or a 30-year fixed at 5% interest. It's your choice. Now, we do have to add a payment for the second mortgage when we're qualifying you for the FHA first mortgage loan. Now, how much do you get? Well, it's 3.5% of the purchase price. Let me give you an example. Let's say you're buying a house for $200,000. You're required to have a down payment of 3.5%, which is $7,000. You're going to get an FHA first mortgage for $193,000, and you normally would have to come up with that $7,000 as your down payment. Well, with the PRMI Dreammaker program, we're going to lend you that 3.5% as a second mortgage, so you will get $7,000 from the Dreammaker program, either as a soft second or hard second, depending on your household income. So that means your total down payment ends up being zero because you're going to finance 100% of the property. Now, you still got closing costs, but if you have a good real estate agent, they can negotiate the seller to pay some or all of the closing costs. So you may be able to buy a home with a little money out of pocket. You just have to have your deposit, your appraisal, and your inspections. Now, you could end up getting your deposit back if you negotiate the seller to pay all the closing costs. Now, where's the program available? Well, it's pretty much available everywhere but the state of New York, where PRMI lends everywhere except for New York. If you need to buy a home in Maryland, Delaware, PA, New Jersey, or Virginia, we can help you. You can give us a call at 302-703-0727, or you can go online, primaryresidentialmortgage.info, and start the process there. So that's kind of the program in a nutshell. It's a great program. It's going to open the doors for a lot of people that may not qualify for the other programs that are more restrictive. So if you want to get started, give us a call or apply online today, and we'll let you know what your options are. Look forward to seeing you on the next update.